Kesngeu try balai poar. Kajing Pule na gospel bukoi kakum Lukas kalnong arpo kudukot arpenyau hadulai pupra. Kato kanengot kisadusi kelawan syau Jisu. Kine kidei kibaong ba omdon jingmihpat. Kila kali yu. Go nong hikai. Umoses ulaptha yangi kumne. Ada ubriu uyap baru ino ke tengah. Henry klem kun. Upara jong udai ban shim tengah ya kata kariu kunthei. Kenang ban aikun yala ummen. Shisin ladon nyongut shipara. Banangkong ulayolok. Bat Duriap klem kun. Ubabut le shim tengah ya kata kekenthei. Banangta sa ubalai. Kalajia kumju habaro nyongut kelayap klem kun. Ha kaba khadu. Kata kekenthei ru kalayap. Menta hagasngi bagi bayap jingmihpat kalong ke tengah jongno namar nyongut keladai tengah yaka Jisu ula jawab kisenrang bagi kenthei hagani kepathei kia poi kha poi man Henry kisenrang bagi kenthei kibadawa ban mihpat na ke jingiap baban im hakapathei ke ban sawan Kim ya poi kha kilong kum ki angel kim la banyap kilong ki khun ublei namar kilong ki khun jong ke jingmihpat Moses upan sabut ba ke bayap jingmihpat ha ke jingtho Shaphang kalau bniam peme ulakhot yau trai ublei u Abraham ublei u Ishak ba ublei u Jacob Kane kamot ba ulong ublei jong ke baim om jong ke bayap Namar Paro Kiim Hau Ka Gospel Utrai
Duriap bat puson. Kano ka dakot, kano ka ktien, ne ka bynta na ka ne ka gospel, ka basyo jingmut, bat kata ya ka mensin. Puson, rikendong ya ka, bat em sni ya ka.
Some of the Sadducees, who say there is no resurrection, came to Jesus with a question. "Teacher," they said, "Moses wrote for us that if a man's brother dies and leaves a wife but no children, the man must marry the widow and raise up offspring for his brother. Now there were 7 brothers. The first one married a woman and died childless. The second and then the third married her. And in the same way the 7 died, leaving no children. Finally, the woman died too. Now then, at the resurrection, whose wife will she be, since the 7 were married to her?" Jesus replied, "The people of this age marry and are given in marriage. But those who are considered worthy of taking part in the age to come and in the resurrection from the dead will neither marry nor be given in marriage. And they can no longer die, for they are like the angels. They are God's children, since they are children of the resurrection. But in the account of the burning bush, even Moses showed that the dead rise, for he calls the Lord the God of Abraham and the God of Isaac and the God of Jacob. He is not the God of the dead, but of the living, for to him all are alive."
Ka jingiap ya me ko Kris.